What you got, Levi? Levi, what you got?
Mummy, I'm not answering you, I'm eating.
He's drinking milk, really.
Hold on.
What you got? Got cereal! Skinny mini!
I don't know why. I have about 2 books down.
Cause you can. Hey, bye! Where's Doggy?
Like, yeah.
Levi, you a crackerjacker. Not you, Jenna. Off. So Levi's already on eating his. He's got fish cake and chips and he wants cereal. Because you know he's weird like that. I'm on doing Beth's now. So we're going to go into the very noisy kitchen yet again. Because you know, a lot of noise. We're just waiting for Beth's chips because she's having fish cake and chips. I'm not having anything right now, so I'm not hungry. So I'll be back in a second. Levi. Levi. Look at Mum.
Huh?
Oh, hi, Jenna.
What?
Look at Mummy. What are you doing? What are you doing? It's kind of blurry, like.
Just chatting to some mates.
Wait, chilling for a bit because you don't have any college work to do at the moment.
No. Luckily.
Luckily.
Although I've actually got like a hell of a load of assignments to do, but hey ho.
Yeah. Levi.
Huh?
Levi.
I'm also playing games.
Do you love Mummy?
Yeah.
Boring.
Do you like your car?
Hey guys.
I don't know what the fuck that was, but hey ho, it's the 6th. Levi said hey. Because he's a bugger.
Hey. Hey.
Yeah, we get it.
Okay, Levi, enough.
Where's Bethany?
No, we're not turning around to see Bethany because Mummy talking.
Beth.
Beth's having a chill day. It's the 6th and it's 11:45. Not 12:41. I saw the 12 and my brain just didn't register. I haven't had my cup of tea this morning.
Neither have I. I didn't even have a black coffee or my lateral whipped cream yet.
Oh,
That's a Wednesday one.
has he coughed this morning?
I
Yeah.
heard it.
I had one this morning, but he had none during the night, so this cough's probably nearly gone. I'm probably gonna watch Levi mess about. So yeah, I'll speak to you guys later.
Bye bye.
Levi,
Now whatever you do, don't
is that nice? It's okay. We're eating. No.
Hello, friends, and welcome to the Fifth Fest.
Yeah, you drink it. Is that nice?
Yeah, you okay. Where the fuck are you? You leave school? No one wants up that bass thing. No.
Hey, babe.
What's that bass thing? No, I hit a long range. you saw someone from that.
W, your Attack on Titan suffered.
Yeah,
Bruce.
on the body, I thought it was.
Bruce. Bruce.
Whoopee.
Yeah, I did. Oh, it died.
Yo, yo.
What the hell? I knew you were nowhere near there. No.
I'm zoomed in at your head right now because you're ignoring me.
But he was invisible. And then he got the smoke in his body, and now he's invisible.
Levi, what you doing?
I'm on this one.
What you got?
What?
What's that? What is it? Is it toast? Where's your trousers?
Santa it?
Santa took it. Okay. Hi guys, it is I believe the 7th. Yep, the 7th today, which is a Tuesday. As you saw, Levi is eating toast. I've already had my toast. I'm drinking my cup of tea. Do you like my nails? I don't know if you can see them. I might need to put another coat on. But the silver, well, they're meant to be silver right now. They look kind of gold. I think it's the light. Been up since about 7:30. On a non-college day. Interesting. Had to get Beth up because me and her had to walk all the way to the doctor's. So she's been sorted at the doctor's. She's now back in bed for now because she's got to go through my mum's yet. With that, she got to take my curlers with her and my hairpiece with her. My sister and my cousin to lend. My cousin's lending my curlers, my curl farmers. My sister's lending my hairpiece. It's very quiet right now, but I think it's because Levi's watching YouTube videos on YouTube for kids. YouTube for kids. It's a really good app actually. You don't have to like monitor them watching videos, it does it for you. Plan of action today. Tidy living room once again. If Levi ends up going to school tomorrow, nursery, whatever you want to call it, I'm probably gonna start stripping the wallpaper. I don't know. Otherwise I'll wait until he goes to grandma's. Levi's health has been a lot better than what it has been. Oh, hello. But yeah, Levi's health's been a lot better than what it has been. He's not coughing as much. He still get the odd cough, but he's not coughing during the night anymore, which is good. So yes, he seems to be doing a lot better. I need to go in the shower, but I'll probably do that tomorrow, like to wash my hair, because I only washed it yesterday, but I'm trying to hold out every 2 days now. But my hair feels fine, it's just force a habit. So I'm trying to hold out every 2 days. It's good for your hair to have at least some bit of your oils on your hair. Do you want to see the mess Levi's created? Ignore Beth's coat. And the pillows have gone again. He's unfolded all my clothes, I'm going to have to refold them. The pillows are over there. He made a bit of a mess. My mannequin is now over there. Mannequin, not mannequin. Why do I say mannequin? Mannequin. Levi, you having fun there? So guys, you see this mess? It's just a complete mess, right? And then all the way down there is nice and clean. So basically today I've had to go out under the stairs to put some books and that under the stairs because I don't need them out. We got a wheelchair. So I had to clear out the hallway at the same time as well. With that, the space that was the shoes were taken up is now the wheelchair area. Levi, careful please. Yes, because it's dead. So yeah, I'm now having a break. I want to sleep.
Papa.
Levi, don't knock the camera. You just knocked the camera.
I'm tired. I'm tired.
You're not tired, you've napped. So right now I am sat at my computer. It is 6 minutes past 8. Levi's already gone to bed. So now, since I've just finished rendering my video, I'm gonna get it uploaded. I've already checked it and everything, and I'm pretty sure it's fine. Where am I going? That one when you're like, yeah. I'm gonna start rendering now. Not rendering, uploading. It says 21 minutes, which means I probably can't go on a game mode. It hasn't even brought up the option of my thumbnail yet. I'm surprised I've kept this up for as long as I have, to be honest. Like, you've seen what my channel looks like. If you haven't, then go check it out. But I don't know, most of the time I just lose interest in doing YouTube. I think it's more, I don't lose interest, I just find it hard editing. Like, I find it hard sitting here and editing, and that's me being truthful. I really find it hard. So after a while, I hate hearing my own voice. But YouTube is life. It's what you gotta do. It's what you gotta do. I just think at times I just get bored with my own YouTube. It's not more that I get bored with it, because I love talking to you guys. Like, I love sitting here and just talking to you guys all the time. Because I'm that sad. But yeah, it's just, I don't know, after a while my head just wanders and I'm like, I'm getting bored of editing or something like that. That happens a lot with me, and I really need to keep myself on the book for it. Luckily I've done it, I'm into February and I'm still going strong. That's a good, that is always a good sign. I'm kicking myself in the teeth now. So, I'm gonna get this all sorted. It says it's got another 15 minutes till upload, so what I'm gonna go do is I'm going to go and put the washing in the tumble dryer. So Beth has some clothes for tomorrow because she needs her sportswear for college, so I'm gonna go get that done. Then we'll come back and have a look at desks. Not for me, for Beth, she needs a desk. But obviously I won't be getting it anytime soon. I'm just pricing up things that I need to save up for. So yeah, speak to you guys later.